Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the latest 3 ways how to delete instabridge app if not showing uninstall options. So as you can see, if you use this app as your Wi-Fi map, as your Wi-Fi searcher, and you can use this app as your VPN, but you cannot use this app because of you didn't use this app as your default launcher. And also this app keep asking you set as default launcher, and I don't want this app become my default launcher. So you can uninstall this app by hold this icon and try to uninstall this app. If you cannot see this uninstall, you can go to the app info and try to uninstall from the root here. And then there is another way. You can go to the Play Store. You can tap Play Store and try to search instabridge from here. You can tap it, tap again, and uninstall from this Play Store. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. See you in the next video.